Are you looking for the best frozen yogurt makers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best frozen yogurt makers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. Brentwood TS1410BL1 Frozen Yogurt. If you are searching for a product that can help you prepare frozen yogurt at the comfort of your home, then take a look at this one. Not just the frozen yogurt, but you can also prepare ice cream, gelato, and sorbet. It's suitable for your kids, your family, and even for your personal use. With the help of this product, it would be possible for you to enjoy a fun time with your family together. It is available with a capacity of 1 quart and your frozen yogurt can be ready in just 30 minutes. The parts are removable and cleaning it would be easy for you. It comes with recipes. To learn more about this product, you can check out the details. At number 4. Flexon Ice Cream Maker Frozen Yogurt. This particular machine can help you in the preparation of ice cream, frozen yogurt, sorbet, and gelato. An interesting thing about this machine is the fact that it's available with a digital timer. Using this product, it would be possible for you to prepare home-style ice cream, frozen yogurt, and a lot more. The LCD display can help you with the relevant information so that you need not consistently watch out for the frozen yogurt while it's in preparation mode. The easy pour spout can help you add the delicacy of your choice, whether it's sprinkles, nuts, or whatever you prefer. The entire family can enjoy ice cream because of the bowl's large capacity. It's easy to clean as the mixing arm is detachable. To learn more, check out the relevant features and specifications of this product. At number 3. Rivas Frozen Dessert Maker Frozen Yogurt. When you are looking for healthy options, it's best to invest in a product that can prepare frozen yogurt and ice cream at the comfort of your home. Now you need not worry about the preservative or the extra sugar that's added to the items you get from the market. In 3 minutes, you can get the frozen dessert of your choice. Plus, using this machine would be easy for you. When selecting a product like this, it's important that you know whether it would be a suitable fit or not. It has a compact design that makes it quite interesting. You can disassemble it easily, so cleaning it would be easy too. This product can be a suitable addition to your life as it would be possible for you to spend some fun time with your kids. At number 2. My Pint Electric Ice Cream Maker Machine. You can find this machine suitable for preparing frozen yogurt, gelato, ice cream, and sorbet. You can take advantage of the recipe book and it is available with a mixing spoon. Moreover, you can find it with a capacity of 0.4 quarts. Using this product means, you would be able to enjoy healthier ice cream and frozen yogurt. In less than 30 minutes, you can enjoy the treat of your choice. Because of the compact and lightweight design, you would find it suitable for your use. You can even give it as a gift to someone. Check out the details to learn more about this product. At number 1. Cuisinart 1.5 quart Frozen Yogurt ICE21P1 Ice Cream Maker. Available in white color and with a capacity of 1.5 quarts, you would find this product suitable for your use. You can take advantage of the new mixing paddles. You can enjoy the dessert in just 20 minutes. Plus, you can enjoy the frozen dessert in the comfort of your home with your family. There is a large spout on the transparent lid that can help you add ingredients of your choice to it. You can check the details to get more information on this product. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.